The corner kick here for Toronto. They have been the offensive team thus far. Molina puts it into the box. Goal! Field. Out in front it comes. The bicycle kick is in and a beauty.
3 defenders there. They didn't know where the ball was. Kidd did. He didn't really have great results with them. Continuing to have defensive problems. And that's like a firing squad. Van Beveren nowhere close to it. Look at
Eddie Kirshner. Kirshner tries to put in the front. The header's in. Brian Kidd.
footing and just slip and slide his way right out of the play. Shot was deflected, yes indeed. And that's why Moeller had to correct his momentum, try to fall back the other way. He could not. And agonized.
Time. Eddie Kirshner off the bench sets up the tying goal by Kidd and scores the winner. A minute and 40 seconds.